Welcome back, my friends, to my Technovits channel where I create technical videos. So far, I'm installing operating systems on virtual machines. So I got a request, kind of like, no, I would not say request, but someone asked me how do we install Metasploitable on VMware Workstation. So actually, we are doing a cybersecurity class and there we need to install different machines for testing purpose in VMware Workstation. So my last video was installing Windows 10. This is like a machine which we will use for penetration testing and hacking. So this will be the victim machine, and the operating system that we use for like training and hacking or ethical hacking is Parrot OS, where also I have created a video, and Kali Linux as well. There are videos related to IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, like software as a service, platform as a service, Microsoft Azure, Active Directory basics, right? How to install Windows Server and how to install Active Directory on it. So you can go through my channel and you can learn in any video. If you feel like I should create a video for you, put it in comments. But okay, I need this kind of video. So my videos are a little longer and boring. So, but never mind, because I want to show you each and everything very clearly, whether we get an error or not. So the request, or I would say, the next thing is how do we put meta exploitable on VMware Workstation. So first of all, before we start, let us understand what is meta exploitable. So this is a kind of vulnerable machine which is created so that it can be used for testing, like penetration testing and all. So if I read here, a purposefully weak Linux virtual machine is called meta exploitable. You can, so it is like meta and exploitable, you can exploit it. You can practice typical penetration testing method and test security tools and conduct security trainings all using this virtual machine. The username and password by default is msfadmin, and password is also msfadmin. And if you feel developers, you can write email here if you want to get in touch with them. This is the same thing written here. I just have paraphrased what I write in the description. So first thing is we need to get the file. Every time, like even if you install Windows 10, we need to get the ISO file. With this metasploitable, we need to get the file. So how to obtain metasploitable VM file? This is the link we go to and we do a download, and your download will shortly start, and you save it here as a zip file to downloads. And one more thing, because while I was reading it, as this is a weak machine, like created for testing, penetration testing, so you can do penetration testing on this machine, hack this machine whatsoever, but never expose this VM to an untrusted network. If you put this VM onto an untrusted network, people can exploit it. Use NAT or host only mode if you have any question what that means. Okay, so I'll explain this, because if you look at my videos, earlier videos, previous videos, so I always recommend putting NAT or host only mode. That is the secure mode. So when we deploy it, we will understand what is NAT or host only mode. So I think this file is downloaded. We will go to locate this file. and here it is in download. So you need to right click. If you are running Windows 10, 11, you can right click. You need WinRAR software, even if it is zip file. If you are using Windows 10, you do not need zip file. So you can click extract here. So it is extracting now. Because it is not an ISO file, you cannot install it like a regular operating system. All right. So this is the file folder which was extracted earlier by me. Now the new one is Metasploitable to Linux. You can use, like, when you extract, the file where it goes. You copy, you open this, you will see VMTK and all. Yeah, so you right click, copy this, or you can use it from here only, because I have already mentioned in all my videos why I use a different machine. And if you want, like, different drives, so if you want to know why I do this, it is just because I do not want everything to be backed up to my OneDrive. Okay, I have already have this. Now let us create new folder. I'll name it like technowits, and we'll put it here and put this file here. Paste it. Now I'll not get any error. Metasploitable to Linux is there. Okay, now we have posted, like, given the file, pasted the file in my custom folder. Now you simply need to go ahead and open it. You go to file, and you see scan for virtual machines, right? So you do a scan. Where I need to scan, I need to scan it inside my D drive, or I just have the location. However, okay, I'll show you. We'll go to the D drive and go to virtual machines, and this is Technowits that I created, and this is Metasploitable to Linux. Click OK. So it took the path. You just click next. It will perform a scan, and it will show you this is the Linux machine that is already there. You just need to put a check and add to browse, add to library. Where you want to add, you need to use the browse. Okay, this is this is where you want to put. Okay, so I want to put it inside clients, or let it be my computer. Okay, it depends upon you which one you want to. CEH is a folder I created for, like, certified ethical hacker. You can see it here, plus sign, and you click OK. You click finish. It says done, and then you click close. So I have put it inside CEH. This is the one, and now you just need to turn on this virtual machine. Okay, here it says the virtual machine might have been moved or copied, because we are scanning it and we are adding it. So just mention here I moved it, and this screen is removable devices. Whatever devices you have on your host machine, it will ask if you want to connect. If we don't want, so we close it. In the background, it is loading Metasploitable. A very short video, very crisp video, nothing much into this. Okay, Metasploitable login. I'll give you the login. Is msfadmin. So I'll put it here. msfadmin. No, it's not taking, so I need to go inside msfadmin, and password is msfadmin. And while you put the password, it will not show you anything, right? So don't think your keyboard is not working. All right, you just need to put it, the password, type in the password and press enter. No mail. Okay, so msfadmin metasploitable, it is logged in now. If you put like command mkdir, will create test folder. So it worked, and like pwd, I go present working directory. It will show you home msfadmin. This is the home directory, and you go ls. So you see test folder is created, which means this operating system is working. It is a command line operating system which is working already. All right, let me go to this Metasploitable site from where we downloaded, and no. Okay, Metasploitability. Okay, attack. All right, Unix basics. So I'll put this link as well, how you can exploit this machine. Okay, I'll give you this link. You can read it here. Now, all right, I think we are done with it. It is installed and working now. Okay, here as well it mentions host only VirtualBox. Let's use tutorials using to multi lead. I don't know. I need to explore it. Linux, Mozilla Firefox. Okay. Okay, so Metasploitable GUI you see, right? If you want to, sorry, this is command line interface. This is kind of a standalone. However, if you want to install it on a Windows machine or a Linux machine, how do you do that? So, how to install Metasploitable on Windows 10, right? So we have this file. Okay, so I'll take you to, if you want a pro version, Metasploit Pro, you have to buy it. Okay. All right. So for now, this. I'll keep it a small as possible. This is Metasploitable, which is installed on your virtual machine now. VMware Workstation as a virtual machine now. All right, we'll come with more videos on how to use Metasploitable, how we can exploit it. However, for now, this is the installation. If you like this video, do subscribe and share it with your friends who need. Thank you and have a nice day.